I'm Rebecca Vran, and I'm reviewing the best hair removal IPL system I've seen. This is the JOVS Venus Pro 2 hair removal. It's a very lightweight design with a rotating head. Let me show you how I used it and what the features are. The reason it is so special is that it has an advanced OPT hair removal technology. And what that is that it is constantly on and working, so it doesn't have to stop and pause to recharge. Combined with the IPL hair laser, it also has a skin rejuvenation feature. So when you're using it, not only does it remove the hair, but it also rejuvenates your skin at the very same time, which is great because it's so safe and fast. Every time you see the flash, it's automatically flashing. I didn't have to press any buttons except on to have that auto flash feature. It is FDA cleared and clinically proven, and with that automatic flash mode, you can complete a full body of hair removal in about 7 minutes. It has a precise hair removal, so that was great for my face, which also had some issues with dark hairs. My face is really sensitive, and it has 6 energy choices of intensity levels to choose from, and I chose the 3 for my face, and it didn't hurt at all, and in fact, it has an ice cooling head on the JOVS Venus Pro 2 system. And the ice cooling head is giving me a constant cool temperature that's painless and feels good while I'm using it on my face or any other part of my body. I could have used it for my underarms, my bikini line, or just skin rejuvenation. I'm going to show you some before shots of my face. It's hard to see, and I needed to bring the cameras close up. I tried my best so you can see this. Now I know they're there because before I had been plucking so much to get these wild, crazy hairs out of my face. So I was so happy to find this device that's going to rejuvenate my skin as well as get out those wild, dark hairs that seem to crop up. There is an automatic flash button. And as I was using the JOVS Venus Pro 2 on my face, it is so cooling, it actually felt good. It didn't sting at all. And besides such a beautiful, luxurious, and high-quality design, you can see as I'm holding it how nice this is. It's so lightweight, it feels great. But if I show you the full screen, and here's a close-up of the full screen, you see that it's like an sapphire. And that screen has to be on full contact with your skin before it's going to fire away. And in that screen is also the cooling mechanism. It's an ultra-thin sapphire screen, and it keeps a constant cool temperature, is what is on the inside of your refrigerator. So that's what the cooling feels like on your face from the sapphire screen. And just to make your reach comfortable, the head rotates a full 330 degrees, so no angle is going to be awkward for you to make full skin contact. If you're a guy, you might have a hairy back you want to get, and you might want to have to go like this to get it. And you can with that swivel head. Because the light is so intense, JOVS has thought to send you a pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes, which I put on before I started my whole routine. I had told my girlfriend about it, and she wanted to use it with me, so we had a double spa day. So we started first by shaving our legs. Jen's skin's darker than mine, and she has darker hairs, but it goes for any kind of skin tone until you get really dark. I wanted to show you the differences. Jen spends a lot of time at the beach, so she's got a nice golden tan, whereas my legs get the spray tan these days, which is a little wearing off. So they're a little splotchy today. Let me show you the before shots of our legs. And here are some close-up shots of Jen's hair. She had let it grow out a little bit so we can see that she definitely has a patch of dark hairs on her leg. Those dark hairs that we see are what the JOVS Venus Pro 2 hair removal will get. The shaving is really important because it takes off the dark hairs where the machine is going to attack anything dark, the melanin in the skin pigment and in the hairs. If you leave long hairs as you use an IPL system, any and all of them are going to kind of burn you. So it's best you'll have a better result by getting the extra hair off so it can just focus on the follicle with the dark hair in it. It's hunting for the melanin in your hairs. It was really fun to share my JOVS Venus Pro 2 with my girlfriend. So we lathered up our legs because you need to shave first before you use the JOVS Venus Pro 2 hair removal device. After we have shaved really well our legs, then we just patted them dry. We did not add any gel or anything. They are just clean, dry, freshly shaven legs. The JOVS Venus Pro 2 has 6 modes, and those 6 modes target different skin colors and hair types. Let me show them to you. There's the arm mode, the leg mode, the armpit mode, the face mode, the private mode for your bikini line, and the SR mode. Now SR, you can have it for just skin rejuvenation. That's what SR means. So we set the device to leg mode, and at the top of the wand, there's an energy level switching ring. You can go from 1 to 6. So I chose a level intensity of 3, but it goes all the way up to 6. So the higher you go on the level intensity, the more powerful treatment you're going to have. Using this twice a week for about 3 weeks, and you're going to lose most of your hair. Your body is going to regenerate, though, different hair follicles. That's just what happens in life. Like I'm growing all this baby hair on my forehead. It just keeps growing. The flashes in hair will never run out. It will go forever. So you don't have to worry about having only 1,000 flashes for a lifetime. The new technology that JOVS has put into this IPL machine will have it last you a lifetime, which is different than the ones in the past. There's an indicator light, and the device is working when the light is blinking. And I wanted mine on the continuous flash mode. So I touched the mode button, and the mode is on when the light's on. For darker hair and to get more effectiveness, you can put it on a higher mode. So we did for Jen. We put it on a 4. And it's so easy to use. She got the hang of it right away, and it was on continuous mode, and up and down her legs she went. The technology in the JOVS Venus Pro 2 is so advanced that its efficiency is increased by 60% compared to other IPL hair removal devices, which means you don't have to use it as many times to get those hairs out of your system. It's the first ever anti-aging and hair removal device all in one. My JOVS Venus Pro 2 hair removal device came right to my door, and then I put it on the counter so I can show you what came in the box. The box itself is beautiful, so it'd be great to give as a gift. You might have a hairy friend. So I opened the box to show you what was inside. This is how it comes packaged. Everything was packaged really good so it wouldn't get damaged during shipping. It had all these different boxes inside of the big box. So I opened all the smaller boxes. And in these boxes were the power charger, the razor, and the sunglasses. You can see, I put them on top of the box. Now here is everything out on the counter. This is an overview of everything. And the wand, the JOVS Venus Pro 2 wand. It comes with a pamphlet and a user guide, and it has 2 electrical cords. One of them plugs right into the bottom of the wand, and that plugs into the cord that'll go into your wall outlet. Any normal 110 volt American outlet is great. And it's extra long if you put it all together, because you might have long arms or long legs. Click the link below to get your JOVS Venus Pro 2 hair removal IPL system. It's amazing. I'm so happy to have it, and I'm also so happy to have shared it with my friend. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And today, it's a recipe to be hairless, which is what I want on certain parts of my body, not all. Bye. See you next time.